Welcome back to 7-Minute Options. I'm very happy to report that I was able to sort out some of the audio problems that I've been having since day one, and so there should be a lot less background noise and hum, etc. in the background, so hopefully the audio quality will keep improving going forward. So today I want to close out this really annoying position I have in Square. I think today is as good a day as any to close it. I'm going to go through quickly why that is. It's always hard to close a losing position, but it's part of the process. So, you got that deep desire inside. You just hold on to it, hold on to that losing position. Maybe it'll turn around. Maybe it'll come back in your favor. I think this one's a goner. But basically, the one that I'm really focusing on here is the 240-230 credit put spread that I sold 3 months ago. So this was, back then, Square was at 270. I thought Square was going to move up, and this was a highly directional one, right? So I sold this put credit spread to finance this debit call spread. And if Square would have been higher than 310, I would have been in a very good position. I would be up like $700 or $800 right now instead of down 700. But it has completely gone against me. Of course, now the 300, 310 is completely impossible. You can see it's this debit call spread. It's a $1,000 debit call spread, right? 10 points wide. You can see it's 9 cents, 8 cents. So it's trading for 1 penny right now. And if I look at the actual table on this, on the June 18th expiration, they're both at the 1 delta level. So these are essentially goners. Like it's pointless. So I'm not even going to focus on them. I'm not even gonna pay $1. Whatever. I could try to sell them for $1, but like whatever. At this point, I'm just gonna hold on to them. But what I want to focus on here is this one. Of course, is the 240 short put and the 230 long put. And right now the stock is down to there. Now, right now, if I look at it, this put spread here is trading for about $758, right? So I could buy this back for $758 and get rid of it, and that's what I'm going to do. So the question is, why don't I hold on to it? After all, if Square comes back and starts going much above 230, like right now Square is, there it is at 221. If Square moves up to here at 230, 250, right? That would mean that that's my break even right now, right? Is a $750 I'm paying today to close it, versus if this closes at 230, 250 at expiration, then it's the same for me. So I would need this to go up essentially $10, right? From 222 to 232. Exactly $10, yeah. 222.50 to 232.50. Basically, I need to go up 10 days between now and expiration for me not to lose any more money than I have already lost. Right, so that's just so that I don't lose any more money. There's $241 of extrinsic value in here. Remember, all this extrinsic value is in the puts. There's really only $1 of extrinsic value in the, or negative $1 in the call. So let's just focus on the puts. Minus $238 is what I stand to lose between now and expiration if the stock doesn't move up above 230, right? So that's negative 4 deltas. So that's $4.70 I'm losing every day, every time Square is just going sideways like this. And so the question I ask is, okay, so if 230-250 is my break even, what is the probability that between now and expiration, it is actually going to be at 230-250 or higher? And 230-250, you can see the delta is 0.67. The OTM percentage is around 29. So there is only a 29% chance that this thing is going to expire out of the money, which is what I want, right? This is my break even. Again, I'm not making money. I'm just breaking even. That's just me ending up where I am today. So there's only a 30% chance that I'm not losing any more money if I don't close it out today. And if I really want this to just go back to 240 so I don't lose any money on it, that's only a 19% chance, only 1 in 5. And so, I'm not going to roll the dice here. Basically, there is a 66% chance it's not even going to get up to 230. So there's a 66% chance that I'm going to lose this remaining 241 of extrinsic value in the next 16 days. And so the odds are stacked against me. I'm going to just close this position, take it. And yeah, it's about 750. So I'm just going to close this out. 755 debit. Let's see if anyone wants to go for that. So anyway, I'm going to close that out. It's gone. And you can see my delta is already looking better. I should have started this. So this is the other reason it's a good idea to close it today, because my portfolio delta, I want to get it back closer to zero. Hey, look, that's another roll I had on since yesterday. But yeah, so basically, look, my theta went up, right? Because I got rid of the -4 theta. So the -4 theta that was coming from those two puts is no longer there. My portfolio delta is closer to neutral because that was a very bullish position, right? Any movement in square would have quickly moved that forward. So this also helps me get back to my delta neutral position, which right now is, I'm still nowhere there. I need this to get back to zero. But anyway, so that was the rationale behind the probabilities and the numbers. And so, yeah, was it a right decision or a wrong decision? That I don't have that crystal ball. So I have no idea where Square is going to go, let's say tomorrow. If tomorrow Square spikes to 250 for whatever reason, then I'm going to look like an idiot. If Square stays where it is, then this will have looked like a smart play in retrospect. But based on the probabilities, based on where Square is today, based on where Square needs to be in the next few days, based on how Square doesn't know what it wants to do, this was a good decision as any, and it helped my overall portfolio, freed up some buying power. And this week, I'm going to be looking for good positions to open. Not a lot of volatility today. You can see it here on the VIX. The VIX is down to 17. The higher the better, obviously. But right now, a lot of stocks are just in very low IV position. Square is actually not doing bad at 26, but I'm not sure where it's going to go at the moment. So I'm going to hold off a little bit on Square. I already have a couple of positions open in there already. So I don't think I'm going to open any more positions in Square. Right now, I'm looking to open some delta neutral positions, some iron condors and strangles in some ETFs and some other underlyings, but that's in an upcoming episode. So yeah, so that's the reason why I closed Square today. Good decision, bad decision, who knows? I feel good about it, and try not to rethink your decisions. Once you made them, and you go on with life. All right, thanks very much.